In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and manage fixed assets in Zoho Books in a complete fixed asset entry guide. Managing your fixed assets effectively is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring compliance. Let's dive into the steps required to seamlessly manage these important resources using Zoho Books. First, we need to create asset types. Begin by navigating to the Fixed Assets page. Once there, you're going to see an option to add a new asset type. Just go ahead and click on that. Now in this section, you'll need to enter important details such as the asset type name, select a depreciation method like the straight line method, choose how frequently you want the depreciation to be calculated, perhaps monthly, and specify the number of periods over which the asset will depreciate. Additionally, it is important to specify the accounts designated for accumulated depreciation and depreciation expense. Once you've filled in all these details, take a moment to review your entries to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, save the new asset type to make it official. With your asset type set up, let's move on to recording an asset purchase. This process starts by heading over to the Purchases section and selecting either Bills or Expenses. From there, click on the new option. Here, you'll input the vendor's information along with the bill number and other relevant purchase details. In the Line Item section, select an existing fixed asset account, or if necessary, create a new one tailored to this specific transaction. At this point, it's crucial to link the line item to the appropriate asset type. By doing this, Zoho Books will automatically categorize the purchase as a fixed asset. Finally, save and approve the bill or expense. You'll find that the asset is now documented in your fixed asset register, complete with all its purchase details. Now let's talk about managing depreciation. Start by going to the Accountant tab and select Recurring Journals. Here, you're going to click on the New button. You'll then set the frequency of depreciation, perhaps opting for a monthly schedule, which is quite common. For the journals, enter the depreciation expense account as the debit and the corresponding assets account as the credit. Double-check your entries to make sure everything lines up correctly. Once you are ready, save and publish the recurring journal. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully set up, recorded, and managed fixed assets in Zoho Books. This streamlined process not only ensures compliance, but also provides a comprehensive view of your business assets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.